Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth management for family financial planning. First, this concept means using dividend-paying investments to help support family goals, provide stability, and build long-term financial security. In simple terms, dividend wealth management can create a stream of income that may help a family handle both current expenses and future needs more confidently. To understand why this matters, it is important to see the role of dependable cash flow in family life. Dividend income can help support household expenses, improve financial predictability, contribute toward education and retirement goals, and reduce reliance on only one source of income. As a result, families may feel more secure and better prepared for unexpected situations. Next, the first step is to define family goals clearly. For example, a family may want support for monthly expenses, an emergency fund, children's education, a home purchase, healthcare needs, and retirement planning. Once these goals are identified, it becomes easier to build a dividend strategy that matches real-life priorities. After that, the second step is to estimate income needs. A simple way to do this is to calculate the monthly family expense gap. For instance, if a family spends $6,000 per month and already receives $3,500 from salary or other sources, then the income gap is $2,500. Therefore, the dividend portfolio goal would be to gradually build investments capable of generating at least $2,500 per month in dividend income. Then, the third step is to build a reliable core portfolio. This core may include blue-chip dividend stocks, dividend ETFs, utilities, consumer staples, and high-quality dividend growth companies. Because these types of holdings are usually chosen for stability and consistency, they can create a dependable base for the family income plan. In addition, the fourth step is to add supporting holdings. These may include REITs, healthcare stocks, infrastructure-related companies, and selected dividend growth stocks. While the core is mainly focused on stability, these supporting positions can add diversification and potentially strengthen income opportunities across different sectors and market conditions. Afterward, the fifth step is to match income goals with time horizons. Short-term needs, such as emergency reserves or near-term expenses, usually require a focus on stability and liquidity. Meanwhile, medium-term goals like education or a home purchase may need a balance between income and moderate growth. On the other hand, long-term legacy goals, including retirement and wealth transfer, can place more emphasis on compounding and long-term dividend growth. Furthermore, the sixth step is deciding whether to reinvest dividend cash flow or use it for family needs. In one path, families can reinvest dividends to buy more shares and grow future income over time. In the other path, they may use the dividend income directly to help cover living expenses and reduce financial pressure. In many cases, the right choice depends on the family's life stage and financial priorities. At the same time, the plan should also be protected carefully. This means diversifying across sectors and assets, maintaining an emergency reserve, staying aware of insurance needs such as life, health, and property coverage, avoiding too much concentration in one holding, and reviewing dividend safety and payout ratios. Consequently, the portfolio becomes more resilient and better aligned with family protection. Moreover, regular review is essential. Families should review the portfolio every 6 to 12 months, rebalance toward target allocations, adjust for new goals or life changes, and track dividend income growth along with overall portfolio performance. By doing so, they can keep the plan practical and relevant over time. For example, a simple portfolio may include 40% in a dividend ETF, 20% in blue-chip stocks, 15% in utilities or consumer staples, 10% in REITs, 10% in healthcare or infrastructure, and 5% kept as a cash reserve. This kind of structure can create a balance between dependable income, diversification, and flexibility. Finally, a strong family dividend plan should include a clear checklist. That means defining goals, knowing income needs, choosing quality dividend investments, diversifying properly, monitoring payouts, reinvesting wisely, rebalancing regularly, and staying focused on the long term. Ultimately, the purpose is to combine dependable income, clear planning, and disciplined reviews so the family can support today's needs while also building tomorrow's security. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.